Hello all, welcome to Ben's Lead English. Please tell me about yourself.
Good evening my dears, this is Chandru. I am a trainer, a mentor for more than 1,000 people for stammering issue and mindset issue and goal setting, as well as what is money. It's my future business. So I had a problem with English communication. I have a knowledge, but I want to expose myself to the world. From my experience, I have been thinking what is the most important thing for a business. First one is visibility. So visibility comes from language, and also English is the most important thing to expose yourself. If you want to expose yourself to this world, you should learn English. That's why I'm here. Thank you for your opportunity.
Yes, so why did you join the course?
Yes, I told that I'm a trainer. I want to expose myself to this world because 2013 I was nothing in speak. It's not in the English. It's whole thing. I couldn't speak my name because I was a stammerer. So I want to become an entrepreneur. I want to become a best speaker. That's my goal. That's my vision. But I overcame those kind of problems, small problem. But if I want to reach more people, I want to learn English. That's why I be here. But the most important point I want to tell this about Ben's Lead English, step-by-step process. Step 1, what is noun, what is the verb. Try to be frank. I don't know the difference between was and then is. I don't know what is a, what is an. Why we are using those kind of words in between verbs, nouns. So now I am able to do some presentation in front of others. That's why I joined with Ben's English.
So before joining the course, what was your perception about English language?
It's so terrible. It's so terrible because I think I have listened one speech in YouTube. I was stunned. I was stunning because I think 10 or 12 years boy was speaking tremendous English. Was that woo woo woo? I didn't understand any word. Oh my God! So I felt some guilty in my deep. That's my thing about English before Ben's English, Ben's Lead English.
So now do you think that perception has changed after?
Yeah, definitely. This is my proof.
Yeah.
This is my proof. So, for example, someone ask this kind of question before 6 or 7 months. For example, Chandru, what's your name? That time I felt guilty. What's your name? It is a simple question, but I was getting guilty because definitely the person going to ask some question in English, I will be stupid on that position. But I got some clarity about it. The English is not a big one. We need to have some discipline. We need a perfect mentor to lead to achieve our goal.
So in this 6 months duration course, what did you like most about the course?
It's a process. So as a mentor, I always support process, not about result. I felt you have a powerful system because some people thinking like this. We need result, but we don't need to think about process. The process is the main backbone of any result. So here we have a perfect platform to achieve our goal as a process. For example, what is noun, what is verb, what is adverb, what are the things we have to do. More important, vocabulary. Daily we have to first one new word in our group. That's the most important thing. Process, I most loved thing in our group. Yeah.
Now are you able to be more confident and when you talk in front of
I already did it because I have a clients from north side of India, and also I have a client all over the world. But I couldn't get much confidence before because they were asking some questions about their mindset. I couldn't get it properly. I said some answer. They were confusing about the answer. But now I did, I think, more than 2 to 3 seminars for the peoples. That's a proof. I improved a lot.
Okay, so what advice will you give for other English speaking people out there?
try to have an environment. That's the most important thing. My mistakes, I have made some mistakes. Mistake was I was trying to reach my goal alone. That's my mistake. Try to have a proper environment. From my experience, Ben's Leeds English is a powerful environment to reach your goal. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.